Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty, the Lariat package. That's a 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbo Diesel, and it is running good. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up, take you for a tour. See that you do have painted alloy wheels. The FX4 off-road package. Power sliding back window, tow package. See that you do have a spray-on liner. And you also have the tailgate step. This one also has a blind spot monitor. So it does have a tan pinhole leather interior. There's your power outlets for the back here. See that one of them is a 110 3-prong, super nice. And then there are your dual panoramic sunroofs. Keypad. There's your VIN right there. Go ahead and hop in. You do have 3 driver presets. As we come down here, you're going to see that it has 110,844 miles on this vehicle. Trip computer, cruise control, push to talk, stereo controls, push button start. And as you come over here, turn this down a little bit more so you can hear me just fine. See, it has both cooled and heated front seats, 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering. You're going to see the backup camera. We pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera, and you do have sensors. All right, and as we go over to radio, you'll see that your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. It does come equipped with navigation. There's your maps, and then you have your other apps and settings. You also have another 110 outlet right here, along with the 12-volt. As you come down, you have phone charging station with USB ports. There's your key fob, cup holders, and additional power supplies down in there, along with stowage. And this one is equipped with upfitter switches, and as I mentioned, that awesome dual panoramic sunroof. That about wraps it up for this F-250 on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the driver's side that affected the driver front quarter panel and the driver rear quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.